Hey guys, one of Crazy Kids 07 here doing an unboxing video for a G36C from Heckler & Koch. Not entirely new. It's we got it from Shorty USA. I got it from the actual store because I live about 20 minutes away, 20 to 30 minutes away from here. From there, I should say. It is a fully automatic, semi-automatic, safe. I'll show you the firing modes. As I open this. Firing modes. Safe. Semi-automatic. Fully automatic. No batteries in yet. Well, I've put it in. It's broken in. Has fair sights. If you can find a shot to aim down there. 300 round high cap mag. Bullets always fall out. You can put bullets back there. You crank this crank on the bottom to feed the bullets into the main chamber. Probably holds 45 to 50. And yeah, battery goes in here. You put it in the barrel of the gun. It's pretty much, well, I know that the batteries can go everywhere. This is where mine goes. And then while on the subject of airsoft guns, I'll show you one of the... Yeah, I got this one that I'm about to show you from Luke, who's the other crazy kid. It's a M4 clear spring powered. He put electrical tape on the end to hide the orange tip. Normal, like 35 round mag, I believe. I'm not 100% sure on that one. He thought it would be a good idea to take off the sights that were originally here and here. Came up to about here. He wanted to try and put his own on. It didn't work so well. It says it could go full auto. That's a lie. I've tried. Mainly spring powered. Collapsible stock. I think it's like 3-stage. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Alright. 4. Oh wait, and I have one more thing to show you. Hold. Luke also gave me this. It is a red dot sight. It's fairly accurate. You turn this knob and you look down there, if you can get it. There's a tiny little cross. Here, let's try that. See if we can find it. Yeah, let's try this again. Line it up first. There we go. That's it. Cross. And that's pretty much all I have to show you guys for this video. Crazy Kids 07 will try and upload another video soon. Haven't uploaded any in a while. And that's it. Crazy Kid, I guess I'd say. See ya. Bye.